If you want to use voice typing on a Realme 14 Pro, you will have to start by opening your keyboard anywhere. In this case, I'm going to do this, for example, in the settings. And you have to remember to be connected into Wi-Fi or mobile data, because without internet connection, you will be not able to use that. Now, click on this icon and speak now. Circle to search. There we go. As you can see, it is working. Sometimes it's not detecting properly, probably because I'm not native English speaker. But yeah, that's how we can actually use that feature. And if it is not working somehow, you will have to go to the settings and simply scroll all the way down, select System and Update, go to Keyboard and Input Method. You will have to select Manage Keyboards. Be sure that the Google Voice Typing is turned on. And here you can also adjust some settings, like for example, add a language, disable offensive words, and stuff like this.